Hello everyone, welcome to Sir Par's YouTube channel and Christian Vid Partosa YouTube channel. And today we have our 7 last words, and this is the third. Woman, behold your son, behold your mother. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe again. Let us reflect on one of the most touching moments in the crucifixion of Jesus Christ. While hanging on the cross, experiencing unimaginable pain, he looked down and saw two people standing there, his mother Mary and his beloved disciple John the Apostle. And he said, Woman, behold your son, behold your mother. Imagine that moment. Jesus is suffering, nails in his hands, his body wounded, yet his concern is not for himself. His concern is for his mother. Even in pain, Jesus thought of others. Most of us, when we have a small headache, already say, Please, quiet everyone, I'm dying. When we have a fever of 37.5 degrees Celsius, suddenly we act like we are the first human in history to experience sickness. But Jesus, while carrying the weight of the world, still cared for others. That teaches us something powerful. Love thinks about others even in the middle of suffering. Jesus created a new family. When Jesus said to John, Behold your mother, he was doing something beautiful. He was forming a new family of faith. From that moment, John the Apostle took Mary into his home. It reminds us that sometimes family is not only about blood. Family is also about love, responsibility, and care. Think about it. In life, we also have church family, work family, school family, even our small groups. Sometimes these people become the ones who support us the most. A reminder to care for our parents. This moment is also a powerful reminder about honoring our parents. Jesus made sure his mother would not be left alone. Today, many parents sacrificed everything. They work hard, they lose sleep, they prayed for us, they worried about us, but sometimes when we grow older we say, Ma, busy pa ako, pa, later na lang. But the cross reminds us, love your parents while you still can, because one day, the chair they sit in will be empty. We are called to be family for each other. In this moment, at the cross, Jesus was teaching the world something. Take care of one another. Look around you. Some people are strong outside but broken inside. Some smile in public but cry in private. Sometimes the greatest gift you can give someone is not money. It is simply saying, I am here for you. At the cross, in his final moments, Jesus Christ showed us a powerful lesson. Love is not only about words. Love is responsibility. Love is care. Love is family. So today, let us remember the words, Woman, behold your son. Behold your mother. May we become people who care for our families, support one another, and love even in difficult times. Because the world does not just need more successful people, the world needs more people who love like Jesus. Thank you very much.